Hey there, I'm just here to give my honest feedback on this amazing solar 4G cellular security camera. So it comes with 1 year of unlimited usage, and then after that you would have to do a plan, but it is amazing in the fact that it has a SIM card. Again, it comes with 365 days of free 4G data. It is super simple and convenient to install. I am not the handiest person, and it was very easy to install. It does come with hardware that you can like screw it in to something, to secure it, or we used, it's like a piece of fabric essentially that we use that comes with it, that you can tie it around like a post or a tree or something. And then as you can see there, it has the solar panel up top. So you do have to charge it when you very first get it for 6 hours and then follow the prompts to set it up. But it honestly, once you download the app, is super easy to do. The solar panel will keep it charged, which is amazing. And then again, the mounting strap is for outdoor installation without having to use any screws. So it does have the 4G battery powered camera with solar panel and the built-in SIM card. We are using it to hopefully be able to see some of our wildlife. We have a lot of deer that come in our backyard, and it does have 360-degree viewing. So I'm going to try to show you here on the app. So basically, once you download the app, and again, it is way cheaper. You do not have to connect to Wi-Fi or anything like that, and it is a lot cheaper than most other brands. But basically, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it because it's kind of hard on a phone, but so this is the app essentially, and then this is the camera. So you can see it will give you an alert if there's motion detected, and then you can click. You can also be notified. So if you wanted it to show you more things, you can set it and it will actually beep on your phone, or you can just go into it by day. But it is super cool in the fact that you can not only see it live, so let's see, this is like right now, but absolutely love it. Again, it was super easy to install, super clear quality. I mean, it's a great camera, and I love the fact that it is charged by solar. That's amazing. So it's not like you're having to take it down or anything like that. We were gifted this in exchange for a review, but we are super excited to hopefully capture some deer, anything like that. And then like you can see here, like today the kids were playing outside, and shows that as well. Like amazing. You can also download, save the pictures to your album, and again, super great quality. Highly recommend it. It's a great camera, and it comes with 1 year of full usage, and then you would have to sign up for a plan after that, but it is cheaper than the other plans, so that is amazing. And again, solar, love the fact that you didn't have to drill into anything, and it has the mounting strap. Highly recommend it. Great quality.